Happy 4th of July from the Subway Cave! Alright, I'm in the Subway Cave. The ground is really uneven and hard. The ceiling is fascinating too. Yeah, it's pretty dark in here. I don't even know what mountain it's supposed to be, but it's so fascinating. You can just see like all the different lava flows where it's just like pushed into each other. So there's all these hills on the side of the mountain. It's fascinating. I had to get water from here last night, Lost Creek. On the app it said it's only like 300 feet. Someone said it's 4 easy switchbacks. I'm just gonna show you real quick. It's clear at the bottom of this canyon. Like, yeah, it took me like 12 minutes to get down there. It was crazy. And we have cows on trail. The landscape is quite changed. It's quite deserty. Well, a little more plants at the moment. Lava, lava everywhere, and it is nasty to walk on. For you. This dog has got his tail name Sticks. He loves Sticks. Doesn't matter which stick. Suddenly I feel like I'm in a different state than an hour ago. This is Bomb Lake. I think it's like a bird sanctuary. You can't really see them at the moment, but there's all sorts of birds. It's been gorgeous. A big nest, a big hawk next to it. Should have left out the tripod. My selfie thing, but I didn't. Yay! I finally made it to Burney Falls! I've actually been here like a few hours now doing chores. I should have stopped in Burney, but I wanted to shower, I wanted to do laundry, I had to like hand wash all my laundry. Finally got videos uploaded. And now I'm finally going down to see the falls. And so, let's see, height of falls 129 feet, depth of pool 22 feet. Daily flow 100 million gallons. Alright, there they are, Burney Falls. Just kidding. There they are. Oh yes, they're huge and beautiful. Surrounded by squirrels trying to get my cookies. I had like 3 or 4 around me. Oh, there's another one. Oh, trying to steal my cookies. I shouldn't have put the phone away. One of the squirrels tried to like jump on my lap. Like, it got at least its front paws on my lap. I'm like, ah! Okay, I've just left Burney Falls like 20 minutes ago. And now I think I'm getting ready to go over this huge dam. I guess it's not super huge. It's not like Hoover Dam, but it's pretty big. and I believe there's special instructions to go over, so we'll see. That was actually fun. They offered a little history lesson. I was like, sure. So it was kind of like getting a little tour of the dam and the construction they were doing and all the dams in the area. And at the end, they offered me a nice cold water, which is nice because it's rather warm out. And they're like, okay, if you need another one, just let us know. I'm like, no, I'm good, thank you. So it was really kind of them, and hey, it makes the day more interesting. And look, another waterfall. A big old log falling in it. Good morning, it's the day after Burney Falls, and oh my goodness, look at that view. I think it's Mount Shasta, because my new next resupply will be Dunsmuir, which is the same exit as Mount Shasta. Good evening. I thought I'd do a real quick little vlog since I haven't recorded much today. So I had started out the day well, and then so I'm only a few days away from Washington, which I'm really excited for. But I checked my messages because I was trying to figure out how to get best to Trout Lake, and someone had messaged, well, have you heard how bad the snowpack is? Well, I had heard it was bad, but then I also heard from other people like, no, it's going to be fine by the time you get there. And so I was confused, and so look, I ran into a person that was supposed to start Soboing like yesterday. Instead, he went to Burney and started heading Nobo. And he was like, yeah, the snow's pretty bad still. He's going to wait 2 weeks. Like, oh, well, I don't have 2 weeks. I've got 4 days. What do I do? So that has kind of consumed my mind all day. Like this point where I hiked through the heat on like 3/4 of a liter of water for 10 miles just because I forgot to drink water because I was so consumed with, okay, what do I do? How much leeway do I have at the end of the trip? How much can I wait? Can I, wait a week? So, 4 days to Washington, then wait like a week, maybe go visit my sister. I don't know. And of course, by the time I came up with these ideas, I didn't have service anymore to message anyone. So I've been kind of freaking out all day. Yep. So I don't know. I mean, looks like I'm still going to Washington, but I may not start hiking Washington for, I don't know. We'll find out.